Welcome to Fixed Ops Intel. We're excited to introduce our new feature, Personalized Reports. This enhancement gives you the flexibility to create and manage reports tailored specifically to your operational needs. After signing in to the portal, navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Reports section. Under Reports, you will now see the Personalized Reports option. Inside Personalized Reports, you will find two key sections. My Reports displays all reports that you have created and saved. Create Reports provides access to available datasets that allow you to build new custom reports. To create a new report, simply click Create Report under any available dataset. You will be directed to the report canvas, where you can begin building your custom view. From the Fields panel, start by adding a slicer visual and selecting the Store field. This allows you to filter the entire report dynamically by store location. Next, add a table visual to the canvas. From the available data fields, select Store, Labor Sale, and Part Sale. The table will instantly populate with the selected data. When you choose a specific store in the slicer, the labor sale and part sale values will automatically update. This provides a simple and interactive way to analyze performance by store. You can continue enhancing your report by adjusting filters, resizing visuals, or adding additional charts to gain deeper operational insights. Once your visuals and data selections are complete, click Save as to store your report. Your newly created report will immediately appear under the My Report section for future access. You can edit existing reports at any time. Simply navigate to the specific report and select the Personalized Report option. After clicking, allow a few moments for the visuals to load. You may then modify an existing visual. For example, change it to a table format for a more detailed view of the data. You can also enhance the report by adding additional KPIs, such as part sale totals, labor sale summaries, or other key performance metrics to support deeper analysis. Adjust filters, resize visuals, or reorganize the layout based on your reporting needs. After completing your updates, click Save As again to store the latest version of your report. All saved reports remain accessible under My Reports, allowing you to manage and revisit them at any time. If needed, you can delete reports by selecting the checkbox and choosing the Delete option. With Personalized Reports, Fixed Ops Intel now provides greater flexibility, deeper insight, and complete control over your reporting experience.